Good morning, children. I hope you all understood the chapter 1 and chapter 2 very well and completed the given worksheet of chapter number 1. Also, did the reading of the both chapters by yourself. Today, we will do the textbook exercises of chapter 1 through this video, and I also tell you that which type of notebook will be made for EVS. So, here is a sample for our EVS notebook. Have a look. This type of notebook you will make for our subject. Its one side is completely plain and one side is ruled. Okay? Now, I have some more instructions for you. Listen carefully. Whenever you start the work in your notebook, first of all, you will leave the first page of your copy. You will leave the first page, then start writing from the second page of your notebook. Right? Now, when you start writing in your notebook, first you will mention the date of that day whenever you start the work. And you will mention the date like this. Nobody will mention the date in this box. You will mention the date here like this. Next, you will mention the chapter number. Chapter number 1. Don't write CH1 or L1. You will write the complete spelling of chapter. Okay? Then skip a line and in the third line you will write the name of the chapter. Like this. Also, don't write anything at this place. You will start writing from the first line of your page. Hope you understood. Now come to our textbook exercises. Open page number 5, everyone. Open page number 5. Take your pencil in your hand. First of all, our first exercise is tick the correct option. First, I dash the scent of roses. Here are two options given. We will choose the right one and fill in this blank as I filled. So, I dash the scent of roses. I taste or smell. I smell the scent of the roses. So, the right answer is smell. Okay? Now come to the second point. I dash the softness of wool. I hear or feel. I feel the softness of wool. Okay? Now third point. I dash the sound of music. I see or hear. I hear the sound of the music. Now fourth point. I dash the color of the sky through the window. I see or smell. I see the color of the sky through the window. Okay, now come to the B exercise. Fill in the blanks. First of all, our body is like a dash. Our body is like a machine. Why our body is like a machine? Because our body works continuously as a machine. So, our body is like a machine. Now come to the second point. The dash helps us to think, learn and remember. What helps us to think, learn and remember? The brain helps us to think, learn and remember which is located inside our head. The brain is located inside our head. Right, now come to the third point. We have two dash which are located inside our chest close to the heart. We have two what? We have two lungs which are located inside our chest close to the heart, and the lungs help us to breathe. Okay, now come to the next page. Open page number 6, everyone. And the fourth point is the food we eat goes to the food we eat goes to the stomach. Okay. Now fifth point is dash our heart and strong and give shape to our body. So the answer is bone. Bones are hard and strong and give shape to our body. Okay, hope you understood well. Now come to the C exercise. Rewrite the words given in red to make correct statements. Now in this question, we will replace the incorrect words with the correct one. Let's do it. First, our ears help us to see. Is our ears help us to see? No. Our eyes help us to see. So underline the incorrect word and write the correct word here. And the correct word is eyes. So our eyes help us to see. Okay. Now come to the second point. Our skin helps us to taste different things. Is our skin help us to taste different things? No. Our skin helps us to feel different things. So, underline the incorrect word taste and write the correct word feel. So, answer is our skin helps us to feel different things. Okay. Now come to the third point. The nose pumps blood to different parts of the body. Is our nose pumps blood to different parts of the body? No. The heart pumps blood to different parts of the body. So, underline the incorrect word nose and write the correct word heart. Now come to the fourth point. The eyes help us to breathe. Is our eyes help us to breathe? No. The lungs help us to breathe. Okay. Fifth point is the teeth give shape to our body. Is our teeth give shape to our body? No. The bones give shape to our body. So underline the incorrect word teeth and write the correct word bones here. Okay. Hope you understood well. Come to the D exercise. Answer the following questions. You will do this exercise in your notebook. I will explaining these questions here right now and showing an answer sheet of this exercise, and the photograph of this answer sheet that I am explaining here is uploaded in our school website. Please collect from there and note down each question and answer in your notebook. Also note down the question from your textbook and answers from the answer key. And make sure your writing should be very neat and clean. First of all, have a look of your answer sheet. First, you will mention the date of that day whenever you start the work, and then mention the chapter number. Then skip a line, and in the third line you will write the name of the chapter. Then you will start with the words and meanings. After word meanings, you will start with question and answers. Answer the following questions. Okay, hope you understood well. Now, come to the questions. First question is, what is an organ? What is an organ? Right. Now tell me, what is an organ? One of the parts inside your body that have a particular function is known as an organ. Right? Now, second question is name some of the internal organs of our body. So, the some internal organs of our body are brain, heart, lungs, stomach, bones, etc. Now, third question is state the functions of the brain. The brain is located inside our head. It helps us to think, learn, and remember. Now, the fourth question is what is the function of the heart? The heart is located inside our chest. It pumps blood to all parts of our body, which helps them to work. Now, fifth question is how do the lungs help us? So, we have two lungs, and the lungs help us to breathe. And the last question is what does a stomach look like? What does a stomach look like? The stomach looks like a bag. Hope you understood. Now, here is another exercise. Think tank. You have read that we have sense organs, but a doll does not have any. What activities can you do that your doll cannot? One has been done for you. First of all, you and your doll. I can see the sky. My doll cannot see the sky. Like I can feel the softness of a wool, but my doll cannot feel anything. So you will do this exercise in your book with the help of your parents. So mention the HW here. You will do this HW homework in your book.